I'm at my mom's house getting some postpartum care, and I'm very excited because my Hungryroot box just showed up. Also, my human being is taking a nap. So not only is Hungryroot amazing because they ship the groceries anywhere in the United States, right? They're also amazing because they do the grocery shopping for you. They send you the recipes, and most of the recipes can be cooked in a relatively short period of time. And so, as you guys know, I'm working on one contactless nap, and this is it. And usually if we're not contact napping, she's gonna be like waking up in like the next 20 minutes. So I have 20 minutes to prepare. I'm going to have blackened salmon and pepper rice. And the pepper rice is like a lentil quinoa rice mix, which I don't know if I told you before. I guess I can just show you. I don't know if I told you guys, but I love lentils and quinoa. I don't know if you guys know that. I usually do quinoa instead of rice, but this is a little bit of rice mixed in with this, so we'll see how that is. It is a Hungryroot brand, so I'm curious to see because the other few brands that I got from Hungryroot were really, really nice. And then this pepper, it's like roasted peppers, I think. Yeah, flame roasted marinated red peppers. I just feel like this is gonna be some incredible seasoning. So it says this takes 11 minutes. I've been talking a lot. Let me hurry up and get these pots and pans so that I can have this happen before Rye wakes up. I love cooking at my mom's house because she has like all the mom stuff. In addition to it only taking 11 minutes, these 4 ingredients are gonna make what I hope is gonna be a delicious meal. So this is salmon, 2 portions, blackened seasoning, and the seasoning packs. Another thing that I really love is all their seasoning packs, none of them have soy as a preservative, this red pepper, and then this quinoa. So definitely didn't make it through the whole nap, so she's joining us to finish cooking. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper, some salt, and then I'm going to do the blackened seasoning packet, which I use the blackened seasoning on another recipe, and so I know it doesn't have any salt in it. And so I'm gonna be fairly generous with the salt. Sweetheart is just gonna join us while she falls back to sleep on my stomach. So you wanna make sure all sides of the salmon are blackened. A little bit too much oil, I get some fried salmon. It's not supposed to be fried salmon. I am cooking on paper plates because I do not want to do any dishes while I'm getting this glorious postpartum care. But I also don't want to make it more stressful for my mom. So the next part of the recipe calls for roughly chopping these peppers, and I'm assuming, it smells good. I really like peppers. I probably didn't need to put that oil on there. I probably could have just pulled it out, but okay, let me roughly chop these. It smells amazing. So while the red peppers are cooking, I just wanted to double check this package because again, soy is a common preservative, and so this is actually preserved with sunflower oil. So again, I like how with Hungryroot, I can put my dietary preferences in there and they don't shoot me back recipes that I'm eventually gonna have to filter out. But I'm so used to always checking labels that I just looked anyway. Okay, so the lentil quinoa situation is a very much trust the process because it doesn't look good. It smells amazing. The salmon smells amazing too, but that is a trust the process thing to combine because it just, I don't know, it doesn't seem right to combine the peppers. Hold on, I want to just taste this salmon. Hey baby, let's flip this and make this look delicious. Party. Oh no, I didn't want that to break. I wanted it to be pretty. Let's just make it, do those, and then we just, yeah, okay. I'm just gonna have to go. You guys know that like presentation is a lot to me. It is so good. It's so, you know what it is? It's because it's just simple food put together to create like a very balanced like sense of flavors. So, okay, so the quinoa rice, lentils is very like grounding, earthy, like, what is the word I'm looking for? That's hot. Roasted red peppers is hearty, so it's giving you that like that I don't know what that word is, but it has a hearty feel. But the salmon is very light, but because it's blackened, I think it's adding a depth and a richness, and that depth and richness all together is turning into the perfect lunch. The perfect, healthy, postpartum supportive lunch, which is what I needed. Great, great, great. Me and Hungryroot go together real bad. I really like Hungryroot. Like, I love its philosophy of helping you to discover recipes, doing the grocery shopping for you, and sending you full sizes so that way, like, as you're learning to cook the recipe, you still have enough ingredients left over to keep experimenting and trying stuff. Like, it's just such a, I don't know, I love it. I love it. I hope you will tap the links and just try it. Hot, hot, hot. Okay. All right, let's that cool off. Especially if you're someone who wants to cook, you want it to be healthy, and like, you're pinning and you're going into the kitchen, but every time you get in there, you get ready to cook something, like you're missing one ingredient, you're missing this. Hungryroot eliminates that because they give you the recipe and the ingredients that go with it. And then again, everything cooks up in a short period of time because, you know, my wake windows, my independent windows rather, are built around her wake windows. And what did that take me? I mean, probably if I wasn't recording, I probably could have gotten it done even faster. Yes, ma'am?